Most cars don't fail because they're old. They fail because of habits. Not bad luck, not bad engineering. Just small, repeated mistakes that slowly destroy the machine. And here's the part most people don't realize. In places like South Korea, drivers are running the exact same cars, same engines, same transmissions, same global builds from brands like Hyundai, Kia, and Genesis. Yet many of those vehicles are lasting dramatically longer. Not by chance, by design. I started noticing this pattern when I looked into high-mileage vehicles used for daily driving, taxis, delivery cars, long-distance commuters, the kind of cars that should wear out fast, but some of them didn't. Some of them crossed insane mileage numbers, with no rebuilds, no major failures, just consistent use over years. So I dug deeper, not into expensive parts, not into upgrades, into behavior. What I found was surprisingly simple. 7 habits. No special tools, no extra cost, no dealership required, and almost nobody talks about them. Today, I'm going to break down all 7, starting from the least obvious to the one habit that alone can determine whether your car dies early or keeps going for hundreds of thousands of miles. Stay with me, because the last one changes everything. And if you're someone who wants your car to last, not just run, you're going to want to hear this. Habit number 7. Read the road before it happens. This isn't just driving, it's prediction. In South Korea, many experienced drivers follow a smooth driving mindset, anticipating traffic instead of reacting to it. When you see congestion or a red light ahead, you ease off early. No last-second braking, no pointless acceleration. Why does that matter? Because every time you speed up just to slam the brakes, you're stressing 3 systems at once: the engine, the transmission, and the braking system. Do that 20 to 30 times a day for years, and you're literally fast-tracking wear. Smooth anticipation reduces heat, reduces stress cycles, and keeps everything operating within its natural limits. It costs nothing, but it changes everything. Habit number 6. Heat control is everything. Most drivers think mileage kills cars. It doesn't. Heat does. In hot conditions, a parked car can trap extreme temperatures inside the engine bay, slowly damaging seals, plastics, wiring, and fluids. Drivers who prioritize longevity actively avoid this. They park in shade whenever possible. They avoid heat buildup. They think long-term, not convenience. Because heat doesn't destroy your car instantly, it quietly ages it faster. Habit number 5. Keep the engine area clean the right way. Not washing the engine with water, not spraying chemicals everywhere, just keeping the area clean and clear. Dust, debris, and residue build up over time and act like insulation that traps heat. And trapped heat means higher operating temperatures than intended. A quick wipe down every few months helps your engine release heat properly. And a cooler engine is a longer-lasting engine. Habit number 4. Listen before you drive. Before moving the car, just pause. No music, no distractions. Listen. A healthy engine has a rhythm, especially during a cold start. When something changes, even slightly, it speaks first through sound. A tick, a rattle, a rough idle. These are early warnings. Catch them early? Easy fix. Ignore them? Expensive problem. This habit costs 30 seconds, but it can save thousands. Habit number 3. Stay in the engine's comfort zone. Every engine has a range where it performs best. Too low, it struggles. Too high, it strains. Smooth drivers naturally keep the engine in that balanced range, not forcing it, not stressing it, just letting it operate the way it was designed to. And over time, that consistency reduces internal wear more than anything else. Habit number 2. Smooth acceleration always wins. This is one of the biggest differences you'll notice. Instead of aggressive starts, smooth drivers accelerate smoothly and progressively. Why? Because the moment you hit the gas hard, your engine hasn't fully adjusted yet. Oil flow, pressure, load balance, everything is still catching up. Smooth acceleration gives your engine time to respond properly, and that protects every moving part inside it. Habit number 1. Track everything. This is the habit almost nobody does, and it's the most powerful. Keep a simple record. Every oil change, every sound, every repair, every small change you notice, because patterns don't show up in memory, they show up in records. When something changes, you'll know when it started, what caused it, and what to do next. That's how small issues stay small. And small issues are the difference between a car that lasts and one that fails early. Final thought. Here's the truth most people never hear. Cars don't suddenly break. They slowly wear down based on how they're treated every single day. Same car, different habits, completely different lifespan. These 7 habits cost $0, but they can save you thousands and add years to your car's life. If this changed the way you think about your car, don't keep it to yourself. Share it with someone who needs it. And subscribe, because in the next video, I'm breaking down a powerful inspection checklist used by experienced buyers to avoid costly mistakes before they even happen. You don't need a better car. You just need better habits.